Hello kids, welcome to a Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. I am Kirti Kohli, I am your mathematics teacher. Student, in our last class, we discussed about the types of angle. First angle, acute angle, second, right angle, and third is obtuse angle. Now we will discuss about the fourth angle, straight angle. STRAIGST straight, ANGLE angle. An angle whose measure is 180 is called a straight angle. This figure is a straight angle. A. Angle is a 180 degree. Straight angle, an angle whose measures is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Now next is fifth is reflex angle. Reflex angle an angle whose measure is more than 180 and less than 360 is called a reflex angle. Reflex angle, an angle whose measure is more than 180 and less than 360 is called a reflex angle. We will diagram. Figure is reflex angle. See, and 180 straight, 180 more than, and 360 less than. One 180 more than and 360 less than. This is a reflex angle. Now next angle is zero angle. Zero angle, an angle of measure zero degree is called 0 angle. 0 angle, an angle of measure 0 degree. 0 degree is called a 0 angle. Then 0 figure of 0 angle. An angle is a measure 0 degree is called a 0 angle. Next, discuss next angle, complete angle. Next angle, complete angle. Last, complete angle. An angle of measure 360 degree is called a complete angle. Single is complete angle. An angle of measure 360 degree is called a complete angle. This was 0, then 90, 180, 360 and last 360 is complete angle. Then this was complete angle. Now student, discuss about pair of related angles. Next, pairs of related angles. Pairs angles. Then first is complementary. Complementary angle. First is complementary angle. What is a complementary angle? Complementary two angles. Then two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. Complementary angle, two angles are said to be a complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Now for example, in your diagram, this is no measure, is only for your example. Then 55 degree and next First is A, B, C. Second is D, E, F. First is 55 degree and second is 35 degree. Only for student, this is an example. Don't measure. Then first is A, B, C equal to 55 degree and D, E, F 35 degree. Then 55 degree A, B, C plus D, E, F. A, B, C 55 degree and C is 35 degree. Then equal to 90 degree. This is a complementary angle. Now A, B, C 55 degree, second D, E, F 35 degree. A, B, C 55, D, E, F 35. Then add 90 degree. This is our complementary angle. And next is, now student, your next is second supplementary. Second is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Two angle are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Supplementary angle, two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Student, for example, then diagram. First is Q R. So 190 to above, 180 and 190 mid. This one is 130. Only for student, this is your example. Then P. P, Q, R 130 degree. And now next is Y, Z. Then 50 degree. First is 130 degree and second is 50 degree. P, Q, R 130 degree and X, Y, Z 50 degree. Then P, Q, R plus X, Y, Z 130 degree and 50 degree equal to 180 degree. So supplementary angle. So supplementary angle, two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree And for example, PQR 130 degree and XYZ 50 degree. Then PQR plus XYZ. PQR 130 and XYZ 50. Then 180 degree. So supplementary angle. We will explain pair of related angle. Student, we continue this topic our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.